Hi guys, and welcome to this micro tutorial of uploading your Loom video to YouTube. So you have made your first Loom screen recording and you're quite happy with it. You used all your tools already, you trimmed down your video, and you're now ready to take it up. Now what we have to first do is we have to download it. There is no way quite yet how we could directly transfer this to YouTube. So what we have to do is we have to download it. And now I'm getting it downloaded. Should be quite fast. It's not a long video. However, unfortunately, Loom names it with the timestamp and with the hashtag code. So what we have to do then is remember that, and when we are uploading, and rename it. Now here I am uploading this video. So I'm going to new tab with my YouTube channel. I'm going to go up and upload video. Now I'm getting into this uploader. Here I am with the Loom video. Just drag and drop it right into the field, and you'll see it starts right away processing it. Excellent, not a problem. And now all this long name here is I have to now rename this into what that video was. And this was my sharing a YouTube list. Description helps people to find your video, so please be accurate. So a few more R's. And tags, I'm just gonna go playlist Google bathroom YouTube, and I'm going to add it on my playlist for tutorials, and I'm just going to publish, make it public, and publish it. And you're done. Thanks for watching.